It's Christy again, and I'm here with an unboxing. I thought it would be fun. I was just starting to open this box from Amazon, and I thought I'd share with you what's in the box. I didn't order this, so I know it's from a friend who picked out some things for shoe boxes for me and sent it on Amazon. So let's see what's in the box. Oh gosh, okay, oh my gosh. These are a lot of harmonicas. Oh, it's very pretty. Silver, shiny, nice case and a cloth with the velvet lined little insert. I had those on my wish list, so she picked them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 harmonicas. I wonder if they're all the same color. Oh, nope, they're different colors. Let's see, pink, silver, gold, beautiful, and another silver one. Really nice. Let's open up this package. I'm not sure if they're going to be the same or not. Ooh, nope, different. Green, gold. No, I don't know which ones. Let's see. Pink. Keep them open. Blue. Very pretty. And these are the other ones, I think. There's the silver. So thank you to my friend Roxanne who sent me these harmonicas. Let's see what else she sent. All pump 8-inch. Okay. So these are some pumps, 3 pumps in here for my soccer balls. So I haven't gotten the soccer balls yet, but I have 3 pumps now. That's great. And this is a set of sanitary pads for my older girls. Let's open those up. What a blessing. It's a beautiful pouch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pads. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh, very nice. Very soft. Those will be great to put in a shoebox. So there you have it. This is what I got from a friend who made a donation from my wish list on Amazon. Ball pumps, harmonicas, and sanitary pads. So thank you, Roxanne, and thank you all of you who watch this channel. I pray that the Lord is blessing your finds as you go out or order from home. And I'm excited because I get to go to Goodwill tomorrow. Our Goodwill is going to be open for the first time. So thank you everybody for watching. Have a great day and bye for now.